My name is Benita Lipps. I'm a board member of the European Society of Association Executives. On behalf of everybody at ESAE, I warmly welcome you to join us at the European Association Summit. This year we have the privilege of hosting the Association Knowledge Café, titled Associations 3.0, Shaping Our Future Through Conversations That Matter. We'll be tackling a lot of issues that we are all struggling with now and will be struggling with in the future, such as advocacy, lean secretariats, better strategy, better member engagement. But it's not just about the knowledge of our experts, it's about your insights and your ideas. So I really hope that you will join us for this session at our tables and at the European Association Summit this year.